Everyone, in this video we will see how to create physical thread inside Solides. So first we need to create a shaft on this. So we are using 20 diameter for this and length about 100 mm. Next we will go to the home tab and under all options we will choose the thread option. Then we will specify the outer surface of that shaft and you can see automatically appropriate size appear on this. And next if we want to change we can change. Let's use M20 into 2. And if we want to create the thread on all over the cylinder, so we will change this option. And you can see only symbol appear on that shaft, but now we have a options named as physical thread. If we click on that, and it will convert the symbolic thread into a nice physical thread as you can see here. Thanks everyone, hope you will like it.